Got a big Adam's apple.
Wow, you're short.
Hear that noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fireworks. Wow, Alice.
What?
I seen that. Bunny ears.
The bunny ears are big.
The bunny ears are different. The reflection of the cross in the water makes it look cool.
Isn't it
Oh, I don't like
beautiful?
looking up in the air.
And then the waterways makes it.
For you, babe?
Dang.
I want to take a picture.
Mermaid.
I'm recording so I can send this to YouTube. I can add this to my YouTube collection.
People come all around the world to go to St. Augustine. It's a lot of historic buildings.
Yeah.
You got me on video talking to you. Oh.
Look.
Putting up you up for adoption. No, you're not my kid. I'll make it work somehow.
Okay, I give
You already
a
adopted me.
perfect. Look, a perfect.
That is perfect. Wow.
I had to try my best and get it all
I can
even
tell.
out.
It looks great. You got the reflection
Yeah.
down there. Beautiful job.
Wait, the water makes it look better up there. Yeah.
But look at the color on the bottom. Gorgeous. It's like a dark, pretty dark. And there's a cemetery back there.
Ooh.
And did you know underneath us?
There's
buried all
Indians under
over
us?
here? Yes.
What, they didn't
Lots
have
of-
graves?
No, not really big ones.
When did they start creating graves?
No, that's a good question.
Already,
But whenever they had, like, in St. Augustine, there was a plague, I think yellow fever, that killed like hundreds and hundreds of people. They did not do little graves. And this was the main cemetery of the city.
There was also the Black Plague.
Yeah. I think that was mainly in England,
Yeah,
Europe area, but it traveled everywhere. I just don't know our history in that.
yeah.
I just looked at the tree.
Because it attached to them, and then people also traveled,
Yeah.
traveled all around the world.
Yeah, and big ships and cargo ships and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Kind of like now.
Oh, there's
Sometimes
the bridge.
stuff
how
will
we
start over
arrived
there,
here.
and then
That's when the Black Plague doctors came,
oh yeah.
saying, I forgot what it was, what the reason was about. Yeah, they had like this beat. They had like a flower in it, so it could apparently they say it would stop the plague from getting on you.
And it had like the rose petals to make it smell better because we were smelling flesh.
Yeah.
I have a question. Did you know there's 800.3 billion people in the world? Oh, yeah,
Why are you always looking upwards?
8.3 billion.
Pretty sunrise. Again, beautiful.
No, wait. Can you so I'm gonna take a picture here of the crosses in the sun.
Where are he going? Oh. I don't like looking up. It makes me feel like I'm about to go up. I keep on having nightmares of me falling upwards and everybody else. It was scary.
Upwards would be creepy.
It's like the gravity flipped.
Probably move out the way, please.
What's that Leonardo DiCaprio movie that does that?
The what?
The Leonardo DiCaprio movie?
I don't think I've seen that.
No.
No, I'm talking about.
Flips upside down?
Yeah, and the like.
Look,
it might be
another perfect one. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going crazy with the pictures.
No, it's pure dedication. The whole thing is
I don't see me nice.
it hasn't been washed. The other one, Jamie made herself. It was like 2 layers. Whenever you're ready to. Just a little walk on the path if you want to. If you get any more pictures. You can start to see some of the fireworks. Wow.
Oh, it's crazy over there.
What?
So, you know,
Uh,
fireworks are going to start in 20 minutes.
alright.
No, I'll be right back.
Where are you going? Where you going?
Go get around, take a picture.
Alright, don't get in there.
Just sit on the tree. I like your idea. There's a big spot for that.
You stole her spot.
I was gonna leave that. She can't lean against me.
You're a child.